What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I have come up to Dragway today where my wheels are getting built, the vskfs for the Supra, and because they're rebuilding them with different specs, obviously the offset's gonna be different. So like the rears used to be plus 39, fronts used to be plus 40. Now they're a completely different setup because obviously we've changed the lips. They're a different offset and they're going to re-stamp them the correct offset. So they actually have to measure from scratch what that offset's going to be, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it, just in case you get a set of wheels like I have with the Crown that weren't stamped from like whenever they were done. You can figure it out yourself. So let's jump on in and work it out.
First of all, we'll now want to measure the width of our rim. That's always measured inside bead to inside bead. So that measures 10. So we have 10 inches and with the bead 11 overall. And our center point will be 5.5 inches. Now we want to measure our backspace. Which is 161 millimeters. So 161 millimeter backspace. Okay, so our rim in millimeters is, I have to work this out, so what have we got? So 11 by 25.4 is 279.4, and now we want to divide that by 2 to find our center point, which is 139.7. Okay, so now we want to take our 139.7 from 161 equals 21.3, so we would round it down, so it would be positive 21. So round down to the nearest, so
cool.
Or up to the nearest. Whichever.
Okay, yep.
So that wheel is now a positive 21. So
yep.
With our 161 back edge, and it's about 21 millimeters.
Perfect. Nice and simple.
Yeah. So now we have a 10.5 inch rim. So bead to bead. So that will be 11.5 overall by 25.4. So our total width will be 292.1. Okay, now half of that, the center point is 146.05, and we will measure our backspace. $172 minus 146.05 is 25.95, which will round up to 26. Okay, so that is a positive 26.
Nice. All right, so just a quick and easy one for you today, guys. I hope that helped anyone out there that's trying to figure out what their actual offsets are if their wheels aren't stamped. If you liked, smash that like. If you want to hang around and see more videos, if you want to see these wheels done and on the car, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.